Hi, welcome to TA-versity. In this video we are going to make a WordPress website using Tutor LMS and Tutor Starter templates. You can use this method to make websites for university and different colleges. It will be quick process and we will be able to design a beautiful website in just some minutes. We will use the special LMS hosting from DomainRacer, which gives you special functionalities, which makes your website look professional and fast and easy to use. So, we will start from getting the hosting, then we will install the Tutor LMS plugin Pro version, which is provided by DomainRacer for free. Then we will install the template provided by Tutor LMS plugin for free. Go to the link provided in the description to get to this page. Here you can see all different functionalities for your professional educational LMS website. DomainRacer provide you free plugin which makes your course looks professional, and it is based on light speed technology, and it makes your website runs faster. It is complete package if you want to make a LMS website. You can see the difference between this package and only the price of plugin. It is a great deal if you get this LMS hosting. You can register your domain name on this page. Remember to check Tutor LMS plugin and private video solution in add-on section. Here you can see all different functionalities you are getting in this package. You have to enter your personal details and billing information to get your hosting package. In the client area, go to your active services section. Here you will have access to all the functionalities and details you got in this package. Now we will install the free version of the Tutor LMS plugin, then we will get the Pro version from DomainRacer. Tutor Starter theme is provided by Tutor LMS, and this goes well with this plugin. and it provides nice looking templates. Now I am going to show you another awesome application, provided to you by DomainRacer, which is private video solution. By using this application you can convert a YouTube video to a professional video player, which can be embedded on your website. If your course is paid, and you don't want anyone to watch the course lecture on YouTube, you can unlist your video on YouTube, copy the link of the video, and paste into this application. It will also work that way. In the course builder, you are going to make different modules or topics for your website. You can add as much videos as you want doing the same process to your course. So in this video, we got the special LMS hosting package from DomainRacer, which provided us premium functionalities to make our website professional. Then we installed WordPress in the hosting. We installed the premium plugin from DomainRacer. Then we installed the theme, which gave us ready templates. You can easily edit them using Elementor website builder. And then we made a course using Tutor LMS on our website. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.